Hey, you guys. Hope you all are having a great Wednesday. This week's video is on 3 automation tools that has helped my business or helped me in business. I'm on travel in Denver, so I am beating the streets right now. Kayla and Enzo were up in the room napping, and if I would have broke this mic out and started talking while Enzo was napping, Kayla would have threw me out the window. Not actually, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so 3 automation tools that has helped my business tremendously. And at the end of this video, I'm going to ask you guys to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment if you've come across a tool that has been a game changer for you. Leave it in the comments. It might help someone else out. So let's jump right in. So the first one is transcribing, automating, note taking in meetings. So there's tools out there that will take notes for you, pull out action items, and also summarize your meetings. And if you're like me, multitasking is not your jam, right? For me, multitasking is not my theme. So if I'm trying to actively listen and take notes, I'm missing stuff. So having an automated, I'll call it assistant, that helps take notes for you, summarizes those notes, and pull out those action items is a game changer. So the second one is creating workflows in your business, especially for repetitive tasks. And I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a website and you have a form on there. They put their info in the form. That info goes to you. You then reach out to them to coordinate a time. All that's done automatically now, right? There's workflows. They can put their information in, look at your calendar, and pick out the best time based on their schedule. And it is so much more efficient. You don't have a lot of the back and forth. And it's just, a crazy game changer. And the last one is using AI to organize your content in a way that makes sense. And here's what I mean by that. A lot of creators, you included, either write down your content or you write down and sketch out an outline and have a general idea of what you want to say, of the content you want to create from week to week. And sometimes it might not flow properly. And one of the tools I found that has been very efficient and helpful for me is using AI. I'll put my outline in, I'll put my agenda, my schedule in, and ask AI to look at that and essentially give me tips on how to make it flow better, how to make it more easily understood, and how to make it more engaging. And so that might flow back into the workflow tip that I gave earlier, but utilizing AI to generate and help you organize your content, create scripts, make your workflow better is super, super powerful. So that's it, guys. That's my tips for this week. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, leave a comment with any tips that you've come across, any tools that you've utilized that has helped your productivity. And thank you guys and have a great day.